Friends, very good morning. It's a beautiful day. Actually, right from I get up early in the morning, I got up and then I'm excited. Something came into my mind and I'm excited to share with you. Okay, this is about affirmation. We always need to keep our mind in affirmation, the word. Actually, we create our future with the words we use, with the word we use. And people live at the level at which they speak. Spoken word is very powerful. So in this morning, I would like to share a few affirmation which we keep on telling in mind. Mind में कुछ रखना है about the affirmation. When you get up in the morning, or I get up in the morning, when I awaken, I give thanks. I give thanks to God. Thank God for giving me this day present. What is success actually? Every day we are in the successful road. That is success. If I am a success and I'm doing what we need to do with whatever I have got in my hand, that is the day's success. That is the success road leading. All of a sudden we will never be success. By keeping in mind, saying something, doing something, what you need to do should be every day is a successful day, as like every day is a happy day. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. So that way, I always affirm myself this that my joyful thought create my joyful world. Joyful thought create my joyful world. I love life and I'm glad to be alive. Love people and help them. That will keep you always fresh and interesting. If you love yourself, then you will love people. And that's the thing is going to keep you fresh. Always fresh and interesting if you love yourself. And that is the thing. We have to utter the power of spoken word. Okay, anyway, I would like to share a very important thing. मैं जो हमेशा in the morning when get up, after that having all my what I need to do in the freshing up, then I go and sit and in a proper way and I talk with. I am now willing to see only my magnificence. Only my magnificence. I now choose to eliminate my mind and life every negative, destructive, fearful idea and thought. I no longer listen to or become part of the detrimental thoughts or conversation. Today no one can harm me because I refuse to believe in being hurt. No matter how justified it may seem to be, I refuse to indulge in damaging emotions. I rise above anything that attempt to make me angry or afraid. Destructive thoughts have no power over me. Guilt does not change the past. I think and say only what I want to have created in my life. I am more than adequate for all I need to do. I am one with the power that created me. I am safe. All is well in my world. Louis L. Hay. So this is very important to always choosing to eliminate all the negative things coming in your life. That is choice. That's why I now choose to eliminate my mind, eliminate from my mind and life all negative, destructive, fearful idea and the thoughts. And I don't listen to anything negative. I don't listen to or become part of detrimental thoughts and conversation. This is gossiping maybe in my mind or with anybody. This is the thing we need to practice. This I say that to create our world, create our future with the words we use. We create our future with the word we use. Keep in mind what word you are using. People live at the level of which they speak. spoken word are extremely powerful. This is for today, and actually, as I said, make success these days, today, make a successful day, be happy, love people, make you excitement, and that will keep you exciting and fresh. Always we need to spread, we are a giver, we need to give after cleaning. हमारा माइंड को अगर ठीक रास्ते पर रखेंगे एंड जो करना है वो करेंगे, व्हाट आई नीड टू डू विथ व्हाट एवर हमारा हाथ में जो भी है, एंड एवरीथिंग वी हैव गॉट, हमको आई कैन डिसाइड माई लाइफ विच वे. एवरी डे इज द रोड ना टू द सक्सेस, टू मेक यू हैप्पी, टू डू समथिंग फॉर समबडी अदर्स. So spread the hope, love, unity. It will come. Only you need to decide. आपको डिसीजन लेना है that my life purpose to spreading hope, love, unity. And when you go to spread this hope through our business, the tools we have got and the power we have got, the support of Amway Business. And Amway Business is it's like our religion. And when you think that it's about unity, love, what is that stopping you to spread? What is that? You go and spread love, unity, hope, and throw the plan. What is the plan? Mukti. That's a freedom. Freedom on money and time. And you will get security. So anxiety nahi rahenge. All the people are working where? Oh my God, they need our help. They need our things. So if you think that way, we can support. How? Because we are in this world, in a different world. Already we came across through all these things. No, then we have reached, that is called paradigm shift. We have shifted, paradigm shift, and that only from your mind first, and your determination, and your commitment, and attitude to fight. Fight. Be fanatically, to be fanatic in the sense that is the only concentration. Baki says nothing can help us, only I can help myself. And God said, God help them who help themselves, friends. We are in the right directions with the right thinking, right process. Make yourself educated. Learn to unlearn what you don't know what you don't know. That's why program new thing, new life, new world has changed. And Corona has totally make us different, give us a new world different. Abhi, you need to prepare. It does not matter what is just what, your background, your age, your qualification, your financial, nothing matter. Only spread hope. Spread hope. Be different. आगे का वो CD चला गया. That आगे का जो software, it's not going to work. It may be good news, it may be bad news. Now, at whatever age, whatever your education, unlearn these things. आगे का कोई चीज नहीं चलता है. Don't get worried. वही सिखाता है ना. Security. That is the मतलब आगे अगर सिक्योरिटी के लिए that is the most insecure thing. अब आपको insecure बना रहे हो. Feel free, and everything is working for you, not against you. Accept this and have a nice day, beautiful day. Thank you very much.